Today I'll be filming me cooking pizza. Like and subscribe to be sponsored in our next video, and I guess let's get right into it. By the way, it's tortilla pizza. So our first step is to get our tortilla. Get our tortilla out. Get our tortilla out and put it on the pan. Then we're gonna grab some sauce and put it carefully on the pizza. We need to be like a chef. We're gonna put it on the pizza for size. We get some more, and we put it on the pizza for size. We make sure we're like a chef. And that should be enough because it's a small little pizza, but we'll give it one little bit more. Here you go, pizza. It's on my hands. It's on my hands. I'm fine though. Chefs do get messy sometimes. Well, at least the Sky chef. Oh my goodness! They got a lot of overboard sauce. See what I mean, Bobby? Start rubbing it. This is Chef Ramsay will make it. Did you hear me, D? What did I say? When it's done, it'll be delicious. Delicious. We scrub it, and then we get some cheese out of the cheese bag. So we go, we get some cheese. So we grab the cheese. We grab some cheese. I'm not a big cheese fan. Probably you guys are. So I'm not gonna give it too much cheese. Gonna give it enough to surround. That's already a lot of cheese. To me, not to you, to you guys. That's all the cheese we are going to add. Other than this. Next, we get our pepperonis. We're gonna just open the bag from the top. Like Chef Ramsay would, we put the pepperonis on the pizza perfect. We put the one, we put the pizza slice, we put another, and another, and another. Don't forget more pepperonis. That's how you make a delicious pizza. Now, if I grab too many, that's okay. I grab one extra, so to wipe my hands off. So that's the first step for the pizza. So now we're going to have to put it into the oven. So now we're going to put our bone apple tea pizza into the oven. So we're just going to go to this and tell it to go. Now we have 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining. Now that the pizza's done, I know that I said I'm gonna be doing this all by myself. The only thing I need Poppy to do is take the pizza out of the oven. So I hope you enjoy this video. And now we have one last step to add to the pizza, and that is Parmesan cheese. Then we're gonna heat it up again, and then it'll be bone apple teeth. Bone apple teeth. That's how you have to put it in when you're showing emojis. And now that we put the Parmesan on the pizza, we're gonna have to put it back in the oven. I know we just made that pizza, but right now it's too hot to eat. So earlier we made another one. Hobby's already tried it, but I haven't. So let me just make sure it's all cut. So this one was made exactly the same. Here it is. Here's my slice. Oh my goodness, that's good. I think this is the first time I've had Parmesan to one of these. If you're just hungry and you don't have much time, I think this is what you should
Good joke?
Yeah. Alright guys, guess I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.
Peace.